Have you ever taken your car in a very congested road and then regretted it later because you can't find a U-turn? Well, did you know that the BE6 and the XCV9E and the 9S, their top end variants actually get reverse assist? Now, what that does is it will reverse the car in the exact order that you moved forward. In this video, we're going to see how you do that. Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. Today, we're going to look at the reverse assist feature in your Mahindra eSUV. Now, first let's assume that this is actually a very narrow road. I couldn't really find a super narrow road to test this, but let's say that this is the narrow road. I know this is pretty wide, but still. Now when I take a left, I will enter that narrow road. So you can see that right now it is me driving, and now let us say that there's cars towards the left and there's cars towards the right, and I'm just moving all around. Now I stop here. Now I can't find a U-turn. How will I actually go back? Well, first thing a skilled driver will do is take it reverse all the way back. But you know that the BE6 is super wide and it is quite hard if the place is very congested. So what you need to do is click on the park assist here, then click confirm. Now when you click on these three dots, you will actually see these two buttons. This is for the reverse assist, and before anything, turn on reverse assist as I had already turned it on previously. So now what you need to do is click on the three dots and click on this. Then you just release the brake and the car will reverse in the exact order that you moved in front. You can see that I am not doing anything at all, and it will actually take me back. If you can look there, it takes you back approximately 30 meters, which is quite a lot honestly. And you can see that I'm not doing anything. Both my hands are occupied with the camera, and you can actually see now we've come at the entrance of that supposedly congested lane, and you can see, and I can brake anytime I want. The car will stop right there. You can see it's brought me back to where I started the video from, and it will say reverse assist completed. That's how you reverse your car in a congested space. I think that many of you wouldn't even know about this feature because this was marketed more with the Harrier EV than it was in the Mahindra Born Electrics. But this was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped, then please give it a like. Subscribe to Automobile Infos for more such content. I'll see you in the next one. Comment down below what you'd like to see. Until then, drive safe and have a happy journey.